So the first thing I'm gonna do is just get the frying pan started. I'm gonna heat it up with some olive oil, not a lot because the Impossible meat has a lot of its own oil. Finally chopping this onion. I really don't want big clumps of onion in there. I want like really little pieces. I'm adding half of a cup of unseasoned breadcrumbs. If I had Italian ones, I'd use them, but this is what I have, so I'll just add my own seasonings in a minute. I'm adding 1 egg. And now I'm just gonna open this up and put it in. It's really gross. If you haven't cooked with this yet, it is exactly like ground beef. It's actually disgusting. It even has that sour, like dead smell when you open the package. Rusty. My dog just walked over here because that's how realistic it is. I swear to God, he thinks this is ground beef right now. See, it even has like ground beef disgustingness on the inside of the package. I'm not measuring, I'm just dumping some in. This is just some salt and pepper in here. Get your hands in there and start smooshing it together. The frying pan's nice and hot, so what I'm gonna do is just take little chunks with my hands and roll them into balls and just put them all in the pan and let them cook. Shouldn't use your hands when you're frying things, but this is how I live my life, so whatever. So these are getting pretty brown. So what I'm gonna do is finish cooking them in this sauce. I'm just gonna let this get hot before I put them in. Okay, the sauce is hot. I'm gonna add the meatballs just straight in. So while the meatballs are cooking, I'm gonna whip up some spaghetti in my fancy spaghetti machine right here. This thing's awesome. My dad got it for me for my birthday a couple years ago, and it's like a bread machine. You just put the ingredients in and it just does its job. know if you've tried the Impossible meat yet, but if you haven't, I mean, please just try it. It's like the most realistic meat alternative that's out there. You will not know the difference between this and ground beef, I swear to you. It is so good. Just try it. It's really hot. I don't know what I did to deserve Impossible meat. All I know is this is good. You should eat some meatballs that aren't from cows because they're good and the cows like that. And so do I. So, yeah.